done. That looks good. Kasama to?
Yes.
Okay, good. That's done. That's flat. Okay. So, chinak nyo sa likod, may damage or hindi?
Wala.
Wala? Okay.
Moving cars.
I can feel it somewhere inside, haunting like a drug I keep on wanting. There's a love that fits so perfect, it's hard to believe. There's a reason I can feel my heart stop beating, and the air gets tough just breathing.
Time to ride the bike. My God, spoiled kayo talaga. Marami kayo gamit. Sakyan, motorsiklo. Oh, shit. Maraming karne dyan. You let me buy last week. Kasi doon ako nagpanarko. Sabi ko, oh shit. Sino niya? Special tao. Alright, back to the shop. So, gawa nila yung pinto? Saan?
4 painting pa, sir.
Ha?
4 painting.
Saan sa... doon? Okay. Tingnan natin. Hello. Amoy bago. Okay.
Maybe tomorrow.
Oh, okay. Sige.
Para pag-fix natin, yung painting yan.
It's okay. Nandito ako every couple of days. Parang
Okay.
ganyan. Galing mo, kuya. So wala ka magawa? Bagong logo dito?
Ayo po.
Oh, yung ginto, colored.
Yun. Ganda yun.
Oh, kasi sa ibang bansa, yung parehas sakyan, but may iba pang litro. Dito sa Asia, sale, di ba? Sa ibang bansa, ano tawag? Kalimutan ko, Aveo. Aveo sa ibang bansa. Okay. Wow. Bilis niya talaga. Okay, guys, so they got this in a paint booth, as you can see. Tapos na sa salamin din, ha? The mirror's done. Bumper. Bubong tapos na?
Ganda yan.
Oo. Alam ko kung gandahin nyo. Kailangan na malakas buffing.
Nag-ano din ko na ano eh. Nakakaya mo yung sports car.
Oo. Naku, sa spare car ko, nawala na. May puputok makina. So, shit. Hindi pwede ako gamitin. As y'all can see, the roof is not faded anymore. So this baby should be done, they said next week. I don't know what day next week, but you're gonna need a lot of buffing time for it. And this one here, there was a lot of, they said a lot of glue from before, they have to remove it. And the bottom part of it is done, as you can see. It's done and ready to go, thank God. Inside of the door is also done too. We're gonna get a better look at this possibly next week. But they're on it. Walang bangga, really? So the antenna is not going to be able to be removed today, which is okay. The back trunk area is done, as you can see. This is all done. This is going to be painted, and it's already painted. They're going to put all the parts back in. All of the dents here are gone. Pantay lahat, diba dito? Okay, it's all straight. And I'll show you some stuff. Sabi mo si Kuya, saan lagay yung bakal? Dito? And then dito sa taas to. Okay, make sure sigurado. Okay, ganyan. So walang make sure ganito yung bakal, ha? Hindi ganyan. Okay, ganito. So pag may hangin, walang pull out. Okay? Walang tawag yun? Nahulog. So yeah, we're all of this is gonna get buffed next. And I just want to let you know, you remember that one area here that was all scratched up? It's really good now. It's been buffed. It's good, looking nice. And we're gonna get everything buffed out. This whole bumper has been done. You remember it had all kinds of scratches? Not anymore. It looks brand new now. Yes, sir. I'm happy. And the hood is done. I'm gonna have to buff that. So basically it takes them a while to do the buffing. So that's what's going on now. That's what's gonna happen. So I'll be back here in the middle of the week and check it out again. Pabalik ako Wednesday. Testing. Hey guys, I'm gonna review what they've done so far. I need this car done by tomorrow afternoon. So I don't know if they finished the roof. Okay lang yung ganito din, liha.
Tingin niyan bukas. Lihain namin mamaya.
Ganito din?
Oo, bukas kinis na tagtap.
Oh, kasi yung deadline mo 5 tanghali. Pwede kayo? Pwede?
Kakabit lang yung
walang problema to. Pwede ako ganito, 1 hour lang, walang problema. Okay, example of a finished car. These have been polished already. We're gonna do it. They did a 3-step buffing on these cars. And this one too. So guys, can you hear me? Oh. Anyway, they've already done this front end right here, and it's done and painted. And the replacement door is right here. Can y'all see it? The replacement door is right here. They have to also sand this down. And also, they're going to do the roof too. That's next. And after that, the car should be ready to go. So, and then we're going to put some, I got to put some more gold logos on this thing, and, you know, we'll see how that looks like in the rear. Okay?
This video is sponsored by Muscle Shirts, the premier online store for everything car related. Please check us out at muscleshirts.store and support us by getting one of our awesome products. We have a 15% discount for you at the checkout. Link in the description.
Yun. Hindi na ito. Ganda pala eh.
Pwede dyan or dito? Dito, ha? Or dito?
Plate number to eh.
Ha?
Plate number.
Plate number.
Okay.
Or, see, dito sa yung logo nakaraan. So, pwede ganito.
Oo, pwede din.
Kasi may linya dito. Pwede ako mag-sukat dyan. Okay?
Bigyan Mark. Sir Mark. Mapingin din to ngayon. Tapos, mamaya.
Yeah, buff it, baby.
Bukas hapon. Kaya nagpunin.
May deadline kayo, bukas hapon. Hintayin ako dito. Kasi may meeting ako bukas.
Mamaya doon, sir, para...
pag matapos to.
Okay. Ano, sir, ganda.
So ano pa? Harap and sa bubong, di ba? Okay. And sa pinto dito din. Okay. Saan kayo kasama? Wala kayo kasama? Kayo lang? Saan sa yung pangatlo? Doon? Oh, sir? Hi. Okay. Sige. Naka, since last week, maraming pang dagdag. Ito, 1, 2, 3. Oh my God, 5, di ba? Shit. They have 6 cars they added since last week. What can I say?